some more learnings. So this is learnings that hopefully are also important for you if you are real estate, cars, or something else. So I have 5 learnings. So the first one, I think it's very important that if you do something in the young target group, also please let the young target group work on the things. So don't let people decide that have a daughter that is using TikTok. So this is not the best mindset to have really good decisions for the young target group. So this is the people working on willhaben on this topic, and it's a diverse group. Not all of them are Gen Z, but they are very close to it, or they at least can relate to this target group. Second learning, I mean, this is a no-brainer, and we saw some numbers, but it's really important that you get a deep understanding of the young people, and you might find out that most important user problems, for example, they don't differ a lot between other target groups. So for us, it was filtering, problems in search, but there are some differences, and I recognize 3 differences. So a very important thing for the young target group is the image. It's really, they are a lot about image and style. So UX is very important, design is very important, and yeah, how you speak to them. Second thing is community, I already mentioned it. So they relate more to sellers than articles. So it's also style is important, and yeah, to get into touch with other people is important. And the third one, and this is also something we know from demo and other stuff, is gamification. So they're very open to this playful kind of shopping. Another learning, yes, we also, I mean, there always needs to be a slide where we talk about AI. So this is my slide about AI. And it says, don't start with AI. I mean, that doesn't mean you shouldn't do it. You should do it, but it shouldn't be the first thing you do. So you really should get the basics right. I give you a really nice example. So when we started to work on the fashion segment, the word fashion wasn't even available on willhaben. So if you were looking for fashion, you had to go into a category called clothing and accessories, which is not very cool and not very nice. So this is the first thing we've done. We renamed our categories. Yeah, same goes for marketing. You shouldn't do these fancy marketing campaigns if your product doesn't fit. So if your product still looks like early 2000, don't do fancy marketing, because then your money is wasted. I see a lot of copycats of our campaign. Meanwhile, also on TV, even traditional Austrian banks are trying to advertise for the young target group, and then you look at their website and you think, no, that can't be true, right? So yeah, ramp up your product first and then do the product campaigns. And last but not least, this is what every product person has to say in the end. It's build, measure, learn. I already talked about the build. It's measure, learn, and repeat. So you're never done. Look at the numbers, have clear goals, look what happens, and keep on investing in the young target group so that you are attractive and that you stay FESCH for the young target group.